Okay, children. Next. First question. Please see here, children. First question. The angle between the tangent to a circle and radius drawn at the point of contact is. What is the angle between tangent and radius, children?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. The angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degrees. The angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degrees. The angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degrees. Next question. Okay. From point Q. Please see, children, here all of you, please keep copying, children. No one is sitting idle. I will be asking to share your notes, children, from today. 100% I'll ask them. If you are not sharing, I will discuss with your parents. The length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeters. The length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeters. Doneshwar, and distance from the center is 25 centimeters. What is the radius? Doneshwar? Nana, can you tell me how to find radius here? Doneshwar?
Sir,
How to find radius? 25 square is equal to r square plus 24 square. What you are saying now? 625 is equal to r square plus 576. This comes here. R square is equal to 49. R square is equal to 7 square. R is equal to 7 centimeters. So I'm asking you, are not even bother to say question. Next. Bhavika. Bhavika, there are two tangents. Bhavika is there?
Yes, sir.
Like this only you should draw, Nana. The angle between the two tangents are, Nana. The angle between two tangents are 80 degrees. What is the angle between them here? The angle between two tangents here is 80 degrees. What is the angle between them? We know this is 90, this is 90, we know because radius to tangent is 90 degrees. Can you tell me how to find out x, Bhavika? X plus 90 plus
Angle sum property of quadrilateral.
is equal to 360. X plus 180 plus 180 is 260 is equal to 360 because in a quadrilateral sum of all angles is 360. So this is going here. 360 minus 260 is 100 degrees. Next question. One second, children. So two times. Next question. Okay. See here. Varshita is there. Children, two tangents are inclined to each other at 110 degrees. What is this angle? Again, the same question, children. Okay, two angles are inclined at 110 degrees. What is the angle between each other?
Yes, sir.
X plus 90
Plus
plus
190 plus 90 plus 110 is equals to 360, 180.
360. Okay. X plus
Plus 180 plus 360.
X plus
X plus
hmm,
290 is equals
290 is equal to 360.
360.
So X is equal to how much? 70.
70.
Tell me one more sum, Varshita. Tell me one more sum. Easy sum. See, if PA and PB are the two tangents, Varshita, same question. See here. If PA and PB are two tangents, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. 1 second. This is like this. See, between two parallel tangents, Varshita, there is a circle. There is a circle. Between two tangents, there is a circle. And here is one intercept. Okay. So, question is, Nana, they are asking like this. What is angle AOB? Varshita, can you tell this sum or should I tell? Can anyone tell this sum, children?
So once can you repeat?
Yeah, I want this angle. This angle I want. This is the tangent. This is the tangent. This is the tangent. You draw like this one. One more radius. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. Why they are congruent, children? This and this are radius. This and this are tangents. This is common side. So this both two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent. So this x means this is also x. In the same way, these both triangles also congruent. This y means this is y. This both are radius. These both are tangents between a point are equal. This is true. So 2x plus 2y is equal to
180. X plus y is equal to 90.
So AOB is equal to 90. And AOB is equal to 90 degrees. And AOB is equal to 90 degrees, children, because this triangle and this triangle are congruent. By CPCD, if this is x, this is also x. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. By CPCD, this is y, this is also y. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 because linear plane, children. 2x plus 2x is for 180 because it is a linear shape. Next question. Version is there, version?
Yes, sir.
Two concentric circles have radius 5 and 3. Two concentric circles have radius 5 and 3. None of one is 3, outside one is 5. What is the length of the common chord? This is a tangent to small one, chord to big one.
By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the other side of the triangle.
Tell me how to do 5 square is equal to 3
Three
square
square.
plus.
25 minus 9 is equal to x square.
Okay.
16 is equal to x square. X is equal to root 16. X is equal to 4.
If this is 4, this is also 4.
Centimeters.
If this is 4, this is also 4. So why 4 nana? This is also because perpendicular from center bisects the chord. In 90 class we have studied perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So children, if this is 4, this is also 4. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. You should write perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Next. Children, next question. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Next question. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. We have to prove that. If it is a parallelogram, we have to prove it is a rhombus. Okay, children. So let me say this is E, this is F, this is G, this is H. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. Okay, children. Can I say DH is equal to DG?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
Tangents meeting at a point are equal. Can I say GC is equal to GH?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
CG is equal to CF. Why, children? Tangents meeting at a point are?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
Can I say BE is equal to BF?
Yes, sir.
Why, children?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
And can I say AE is equal to AH, children?
Yes, sir.
Why? Tangents meeting at a point
Tangents
are?
are equal.
Please add all the sides and tell me, children.
DG plus CG plus BE plus AE
is equal
equals to DH plus CF plus BF plus AH.
to AH. What is DG plus CG? CD. What is BE plus AE?
AB.
AB.
A. What is DH plus AH?
AD.
AD. What is CF plus BF?
BC.
BC. But they said it is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are
మూసుకుంటా అట్లా గట్టిగా అరుస్
children. In parallelogram, opposite sides are
Equal.
opposite sides are equal. And in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. CD and AB are
Equal. So 2AB is equal to
2AB is equal to these both are equal.
2BC we can write, sir.
2BC.
2
Okay,
to cancel. AB is equal.
AB equals to BC.
AB is equal to
Sides
BC.
are equal. It is a rhombus.
So children, AB is equal to BC we got, adjacent sides also equal we got. AB is equal to BC we got, adjacent sides also equal we got. Means it is a rhombus. Children, already it is a parallelogram. Now we prove adjacent sides also equal. Opposite sides equal, adjacent sides equal, all sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. Children, are you able to understand? Opposite sides are equal, adjacent sides are equal. So it is a rhombus, children. Try to understand. Opposite sides are equal, adjacent sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. How adjacent sides are equal? We have just proved it. Adjacent sides are equal. So someone is making a lot of noise, children. I'll remove you from the group. Be careful. Next one. So children, parallelogram is a rhombus because opposite sides equal, adjacent sides equal. So it is a rhombus. Next one, children, see here. A triangle ABC is drawn. Please see, children, here. See the figure, children. A triangle ABC is drawn. A triangle, please see, children, here. ABC is drawn. ABC is drawn, and there's a circle. There's a circle. Okay, children. And children, this is 9 and 3 centimeters. This is 9 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. Please see the question, children. 9 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Okay. Question is divided Radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. Radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. What is the question, sir? You asked. Question is find the sides AB and AC. Find the sides AB and AC. This is the question.
Sure,
Find the
can
sides AB and who will tell? Pranti, you will tell?
try, sir.
Come on, try easy. If this is 3, this is also 3, right?
Decent. Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
If this is 9, this is also 9, right?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
If this is X, this is also X, right?
Tangents meeting at a point are equal.
What tangent meeting a point are equal. Now what we will do? So we have to find out this and this length. So shall we go with directly half into base into height and we'll try. If you are not getting, we'll go with Heron's formula. Or shall we go with Heron's formula only?
Heron's formula will do, sir.
Heron's formula. Okay. We'll do with Heron's formula. Okay, chalo. First Heron's formula. Semiperimeter. What is semiperimeter?
A plus B plus C by 2. 9 plus X.
This is 12. This
12
is 3 plus X.
3
This
plus
is
x
plus
plus
9 plus X.
9 plus x.
by 2. 15, 24. 24 plus
By
Plus X by 2.
2x.
2 common. 12 plus
12
X.
plus x by
2 cancel. 12 plus
12
X.
plus x.
Semiperimeter.
semiperimeter. Now, area using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? S into
S
minus A.
into
To
S
S
minus
minus
A,
A
S
into
minus
S minus
B
B
into
into S minus
S minus C.
Okay, so semiperimeter is 12 plus
12
X
plus
is
X
12
into
plus x
12 plus X
into
12 plus
minus
X
12
minus
any
12.
one of each other. Any one of it is because
minus 12.
first we'll take this. 9 plus 3 is 12.
12 into 12 plus X minus 3 minus X.
Minus 3 minus 6.
Minus
3 minus 6. Okay. Next
12 plus
12 plus X
minus 9 minus 6.
minus 9 minus 6. Okay, so area is equal to. So children, this and this has gone. This and this has gone. This and this has gone. So 12 plus X into please see children, X into 12 minus 3 is 9 into
9 into
3.
3.
This is area using Heron's formula. Now let's find area using individual triangles. This is one triangle, this is one triangle, and this is another triangle. Individual triangles. Let's go for the base triangle. Half
Half
into
into 12
base
into
into height. Half into base into height.
plus
Next
half
half
into
into
3 plus X into
3
3.
plus half
Half
into
into 9 plus X into 3.
9 plus X into 3. Okay, so
Half
children,
into
in all the
3
cases
3 by 2 common.
3 by 2 if you take common, 12 plus
3
3
plus
plus X
X,
plus 9 plus X.
9 plus X.
So that is turning out to be
3 by 2
25.
into 24 plus 2X.
so 3 by 2 into 2 if you take common
12 plus
12 plus
2 to cancel 3 into 12 plus X. That is
this is also area and
equate.
this is also area. Let's equate them. This is also area, this is also area. Let's equal them because same triangle area. So root of 12 plus X into
into
27x is equal to 3 into 12 plus x. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So if you do squaring on both sides, here square, here square.
square root
Root and square gets cancelled. 12 plus x
plus
into
X into 27X is equal to
3 square is 9. 12
9
plus x whole square.
plus X whole square.
This is gone. This is gone. Okay. This 9 let's take down. 27 by 9, 3x.
3X is equal to 12 plus X. 12 is equal to 2X. X is equal to 6.
X is equal to 6. Children,
So
if
sides
this
are
is 6,
6
this
and
is
9.
6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus
9.
6 is 15 centimeters are individual size. 15 centimeters are individual size. Like this. Okay. Heron's formula sum only just numbers have been changed. Okay. One more question. Please keep copying children. I hope everyone are copying. Please keep copying children. No one should sit idle. I will be asking to share your notes from today. Next question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Question is from a point 10 centimeters away. Children, from point 10 centimeters away from the center. 10 centimeters away from the center. This is 10 centimeters. Draw pair of tangents. Construct a pair of tangents. Construct a pair of tangents. Children. This is O. This is P. From here, you have to construct a tangent. What is the first step? You have to locate the. What is the first step? You have to locate the midpoint.
Midpoint.
So 10 and 6 is there for 10 centimeters. Midpoint is 5 centimeters. At the midpoint, children, at the midpoint, what you do? You take this
Taking
radius.
OM as a radius, we will
5
draw
as
a
the
circle.
radius. We'll take 5 as the radius and draw a circle. We'll take 5 as the radius and draw a circle. We'll take 5 as the radius and draw a circle. Wherever circle is touching from this point, with scale, draw one tangent. Wherever circle is touching this circle, from this point, you draw tangent and measure the length of this tangent. So you will get compulsory same. You have to get. If you don't get correct length, they are wrong. No one else. Okay. So next question. So drawing a pair of tangents is very easy, children. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters. There is a 4 centimeter line. There is a 4 centimeter line from point of concentric circle of circle 6 centimeters. Another circle is there 6 centimeters. Another circle is there 6 centimeters. Okay. From outer circle, draw. From outer circle, draw tangents to inner circle. From outer circle, draw circle to inner. Children, outer circle radius is 6 centimeters. What is the midpoint? Midpoint is
3
3
centimeters.
At 3 centimeters, put a compass and draw a circle
Draw a
taking this
circle.
radius. So like this, you will get children like this. Please be careful, children. Okay, and from here, wherever circle is touching the point, at that point one tangent, and at this point one more tangent you draw, you will get circles. You will get tangents. Next, draw a circle of radius with the help of a bangle. With the help of a bangle, we should draw a circle, children. Take a point outside the circle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct a pair of tangents from this point without using the center. Do you remember, children, how to draw? Without using the center. You have to take without using the center. You have to take, children. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now what we'll do? How much is BC? That much CD you will draw. First step. How much is BC? That much CD you will draw. First step. How much is BC? That much CD you have to draw. Now, for A and D, locate the midpoint. Wherever it may come, children, locate the midpoint.
Draw a circle with that.
First one, PC is equal to CD, you should draw. And for AD, children, everyone should listen. For AD, locate the midpoint. For AD, locate the midpoint.
With a perpendicular.
From this midpoint, taking this as a radius, draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle AD. Draw a semicircle AD. Okay. Draw a semicircle AD. Now at the C, draw perpendicular. At the C, draw a perpendicular CE. Draw a perpendicular CE. Perpendicular you should draw. Okay. How to draw perpendicular? You know, children. Draw a perpendicular CE. Okay. Take this CE as radius. Take CE as radius. Take CE as radius. Children, take CE as radius. Put here compass. Cut once here. Cut once here. Take CE as radius. Once cut here. Once cut here, children, and join them. You'll get 2 tangents. That's it, children. Take CE as radius. Cut on the circle. Those who did not understand, again I'm saying, please listen carefully, children. Okay, so from they are saying from outer point somewhere C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Explain how much is BC, that much CD you extend. How much is BC, that much CD you should extend. Locate midpoint of AD, somewhere you will get. From this midpoint, draw semicircle. Exactly at C, draw a perpendicular. Taking CE as radius, cut this and this. Whenever you cut, they both will meet at that point. That is the answer. 2-3 times you have to repeat, children. If you do this, you will get, children. This is drawing pair of tangents without using the center. Drawing a pair of tangents without using the center. Children, drawing a pair of tangents without using the center. I hope you are able to understand. Drawing a pair of tangents without using the center. You should be very, very careful, children. Next question. Next question, children. 8th question. Please see here, children. In a right triangle ABC. In a right triangle ABC. Please see, children. In a right triangle ABC. In a right triangle ABC. Okay. A circle with side AB as diameter. ABC. A circle with AB as diameter. A circle with AB as diameter. Everyone is saying, children, please concentrate. Circle with AB as diameter is drawn to intersect the hypotenuse at P. To intersect hypotenuse at P. Prove that the tangent to a circle at P. Prove that the tangent to a circle at P. Okay, children, prove that the tangent to a circle at P. Okay, at P bisects BC. Bisects BC. Figure is not coming correctly, children. 1 second, let me draw this, children. I'm going like this. Please see here, children. This is like this. This is A. This is B. This is C. So what is happening is, children, please listen carefully. Children, here they are drawing a circle. Please, children, don't make noise. Like this. Okay, this is O. This is touching. Okay, question. ABC with side AB as diameter is drawn to intersect the hypotenuse AC in P. Okay, prove that a tangent to the circle at P bisects BC. Okay, so it comes easy to capture. Okay, now here if I draw a tangent, here a tangent is there, children, PM. Okay, something PM. Required to prove is, children, we have to show that PM bisects BC. Means we have to prove that BM is equal to CM. Okay, given what, children, angle B is 90 degrees, they have given. Angle B is 90 degrees, they have given. Angle B is 90 degrees, they have given. Okay, children. So what should we draw, children, here? Okay, if you join OP, what happens, children, if you join OP? Yes, children, what happens if you join OP? OP is perpendicular to QM. OP is perpendicular to QM. Why, children, OP is perpendicular to QM? Because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Are you able to hear me, children, everyone?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can
Yes,
anyone
sir.
help me how to prove that BM is equal to CM, children? Can anyone help me how to prove that BM is equal to CM? We have to prove that BM is equal to CM, children.
Similarity.
Similarity will take children in A, B, C, O is midpoint. And this is 90, this is 90. Can we say this is 90? No, we can't say like that. And yes, children?
Sir,
Yeah.
can we join P and B?
Yeah, we can join. There is no problem. We can join anything. Yeah, if you join.
We can prove similarity, no, sir. One side is equal.
You want to prove similarity? How do you prove similarity? Which this two
Okay,
triangles
sir.
will
Not possible. I thought we can take PM as common side, but I'm not able to.
this one, this one. This is
Yeah.
common side.
BM is equal to M.
No, that only we should prove. We should prove that.
Okay, fine.
Okay, children. Anyone? We have to prove show that BM is equal to CM, children. Children, O is the midpoint. And if we can show this is 90 degrees, we can say this is parallel to this shape. So we can say all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That's not possible. Children, BM is equal to CM. We have to prove that. So this is a tangent. This is the tangent. Tangent means 90 degrees. Tangent means 90 degrees. This is also. This is also 90 degrees, children, because angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees.
Sir, for BC, if we take perpendicular bisector and if it comes on PM, it is correct, no, sir?
What, on BC?
For BC, if we do perpendicular bisector and if those two arcs come on PM?
No, this is not construction. This is proof, Amma. This is proof. This is not perpendicular bisector. Okay, this and this are radius, children. This and this are the tangents we need to point at equal. This is a common side, by which we can say these both triangles are congruent. When they are congruent, What I can say, children, is that congruent. This base angles are equal, children. These both sides are equal because tangents are linear point are equal. Base angles are equal, children. Okay, and this is also y and y base angles are equal, children. So x plus y is 90, children. X plus y is 90 here. X plus y is 90. Okay, so here also x plus y is 90, children. And because this is x, this we can say 2x, children. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay. This is 2x. If we say
Sir, is OP parallel to BC?
that is not given, that is not given,
Okay.
that is not given. Children, this is 90, children. This is 90. If this is 90,
Sir,
this plus this should be 90.
in POA, like POA exterior 2y we can write now, sir.
And how? Which one? This one. This
Yes,
is.
sir.
If you write 2.
And like, can we prove x and y is equal in it anyway?
X and y are equal.
Like, can we prove like that? I'm asking, sir.
This is x. This is x. This is 2x. I prove that's all. This we got 2x. This we got 2x. How much is this, children?
180 minus 2.
180 minus 2x.
180 minus 2x. Some is 1 second, children. I will say it's getting late. Okay, I will say, children, if you know, you try to tell children. If not, let me complete of one more sum is there. Then this exercise will be completed. Then you can go next. I will tell children. By the time I complete that sum, I will tell this sum. Draw a tangent to a circle of with center O. Children, for this circle with center O, we have to draw a tangent. And from point R outside the circle. From point R outside the circle, how many tangents can be drawn to a circle from that point? So children, from a given point, normally from a given point outside R, how many tangents can be drawn, children? From a given point, how many tangents can be drawn, children? As we know, from a given point, only 2 tangents can be drawn, children. That's all. Okay, we know the procedure of some children. We will take this one OR and we will locate the midpoint. From the midpoint, we will draw a circle, and wherever it is joining, there we will draw a circle. So from a given point outside the circle, how many tangents we can draw, children? We say we can draw only 2 tangents, children. From a given point outside the circle, how many circles tangents we can draw? We say only 2 tangents we can draw, children. Only 2 tangents. Okay. Let's come back to last 8th question, children. So 8th question is given like this, children. So we are already get it. This is there given. Okay. So like this they have given, children. So this is P. This is A B. Okay. This is C. We have to prove that this is equal to this. This we have to prove as midpoint. That's all. We have to prove it as midpoint. This is center of the circle, children. We have to prove that as a midpoint. If you want to prove that as a midpoint, somewhere here we are coming close, children, but we are not able to discuss it. We are not able to complete it. Nearby we are coming. X plus y is 90 degrees. X plus y is 90 degrees. Okay. So this is 2x. X and x, this is 2x. This is y and y, this is 2y. Somehow we are not able to get this. Anyone, children? Anyone in the class can tell how to do this sum? We have to prove that this is the bisector. We have to prove that this is the bisector. We have to prove that VM is a bisector. Okay, children, that I will tell children because time is getting wasted. I will tell children just let this think over and I will tell you children. I don't want to waste the time.